Longhorn Casino and Hotel. Here we are. Let's see what this place is all about. What you, I don't know. Casino entrance. Well, they have a place to stay here too. Okay. There it is. Longhorn Casino. There's a hotel entrance. Ooh, most back. Alright, let's take a walk. Casino entrance. There it is, Longhorn. We're just taking a tour today. Oh, hey, thank you. Wow, $3.99 all you can eat pancakes. Holy snaps.
All you can eat?
Yeah, $3.99. So go in. Let's see. Hello. Longhorn Hotel and Casino. Player's card. Want to get a player's card? Right there. Let me see. Think you want to get a card? Chuckwagon. Chuckwagon restaurant, right? Yep. They got no table games here, all slot machines. I'm gonna walk around the bar real quick. Megabucks. Good.
Not be recorded. This is probably a property.
Oh, I don't have room in my.
Yeah, can you just put it up?
Yeah. No worries. Okay. Okay. All right, everybody. We need to drive carefully and come back soon.